Welcome back, everybody, to Fire and Lemon. You know, what a gorgeous weekend of weather we've had. Sometimes, don't you just feel like pushing a pause button, letting things slow down a little bit? Well, we are going to explore some of that today.
Fire and Lemon. We're all about being happy, healthy, and impactful.
That's right. And you know what? Happy doesn't need a lot. You can enjoy the simple things. And that's what we're trying to do today.
Yep, and you know what? We're feeling healthy, so that's a great thing. We are halfway through our quarantine, and we're all feeling good, so we're pretty pleased with that.
Yeah. And, back to the happy thing, too. There's so much going on in the world right now. We could use a little bit more happy. And I like happy places. I'm sure everybody's experienced it. There's those minutes or those moments of time where you just want to hit that pause button. You just want everything to slow down a little bit.
And I think it does slow down during our quarantine. It's the perfect time.
It sure does. But I can think of most, like, my happy places, like camping, making coffee in the morning. Nobody's awake.
It's quiet.
It's quiet. Get the fire crackling. Get some fresh coffee going. That's just magical for me. How about you?
Oh, for me, you know the answer to that.
I do.
It's the beach.
The beach. It's always the beach.
The beach, where it's hot and sunny, and I love just laying there and just, hearing the breeze out of the wind and looking at the blue sky and the white sand. To me, that's heavenly.
Yeah, that is. But, you don't always have to go somewhere to enjoy things. I mean, the part of this video is just showing some things that you might walk by 100 times and not even either notice it or really stop to enjoy the beauty of it or just the peace of it. We've had a great weekend of crazy weather, and yesterday and today was some wild rain, and I just thought, wow, some really neat footage to take. So we've done that, and it's different for us this time. It's more of a peaceful, serene type of a video.
hope that we've inspired you to take some time out of your day to enjoy some of the simpler things in your own backyard.
Yeah, we were very fortunate. We had some crazy weather this weekend, and we were able to capture some pretty creative content, I think. We hope you enjoyed it. You know, if you haven't had a chance to subscribe to our channel, now would be a great time to do that. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up
And
if
the
you like it,
notification
the
bell.
notification, and we hope to see you next week. Cheers.
Cheers for now.
Welcome back, everybody, to Fire and Lemon.
You have to give me a second. I haven't even ready. She was waiting. Inspired you.
Viva, 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 viva.